Welcome to your daily economics and financial updates for September 1st, 25. Today we cover NTPC, NHPC, Tata Motors, Mahindra and Mahindra, Zomato's Blinkit, Delhivery, Transport Corporation of India, Canara Bank, Radico Khaitan, Goetze India, Bansal Roofing Products, Walfort Financial Services, Balmer Lawrie, Shyam Dhani Industries, Mamaearth, Ather Energy, Razorpay, Urban Company, LaRiSa Hotels and MG Motor India. NTPC sentiment neutral. NTPC's advanced ultra-supercritical coal project is on hold due to high upfront costs and a shift in policy towards nuclear and renewable energy. A planned 800-megawatt pilot needs approvals and viability gap support, which have not materialized. This slows one pathway to improving coal plant efficiency. The company continues to pursue clean energy targets into 2032, aligning with India's nationally determined contribution for 500 gigawatts of non-fossil capacity. For investors, this means the capex mix tilts further to renewables and nuclear, while thermal upgrades wait for clearer economics. NHPC sentiment neutral. In Uttarakhand, all workers trapped at a hydropower project site were rescued after a landslide blocked access. This removes immediate human risk, but it reminds us that monsoon-linked disruptions can affect hydropower execution, project timelines, and safety. With intense rainfall across hill states, access roads and power infrastructure can be intermittently impacted. Investors should watch for updates on restoration timelines and any scheduling changes. Overall, the incident is operationally contained, but it underscores the need for stronger disaster-resilient infrastructure in hydro corridors. Tata Motors sentiment negative. A proposed goods and services tax increase to 18% on premium electric vehicles above 20 lakh could hurt adoption just as EV ranges improve and public charging scales up. Tata Motors' EV unit points out that the concessional 5% tax rate has been critical to overcoming consumer hesitancy and achieving on-road price parity with internal combustion engine models. Raising the rate would likely dent demand in premium segments and affect pricing strategies during the festive season. Policy certainty is essential for sustaining momentum. Mahindra and Mahindra, sentiment negative. Industry feedback suggests roughly a quarter of EVs above 20 lakh could see price hikes if GST moves to 18%. Mahindra and peers argue that stability in policy, faster CAF norms, and better charging access are needed to stay on track for electrification goals. A rate shock risks slowing consumer uptake in SUVs and premium segments where many new EVs sit. Until tax clarity emerges, expect cautious sentiment around bookings and product mix. Zomato Blinkit, sentiment positive. Quick commerce platforms are preparing for a compressed festive window by adding temporary dark stores in densely populated areas and coordinating closely with FMCG and consumer durable brands. With GST decisions pending, demand could spike once rates are announced. Blinkit's preparation can translate into higher order frequency, bigger baskets, and better fill rates during peak evenings and weekends. Service levels and speed are differentiators when shoppers rush to buy after clarity. Delhivery, sentiment positive. Delhivery's presence on a high-profile startup awards jury signals strong ecosystem standing. During a festive season that may see a late but sharp demand surge, shippers value partners that can flex networks and handle quick ramp-ups. While no new numbers were disclosed, visibility with enterprise customers and brand owners can support pipeline conversion. Watch for operational updates as retailers finalize festive calendars post-GST decisions. Transport Corporation of India, sentiment positive. TCI is working with consumer durables and auto companies to ensure flexible dispatch schedules and inventory placement near the final sales window. With early season demand muted and a spike likely after tax clarity, agile supply chain planning and last-mile execution become critical. TCI's commentary points to readiness for a compressed peak, a setup that often rewards experienced logistics providers. Outro, that's your 10-minute daily market briefing. Watch EV policy signals, festive-linked demand bursts, and the bonds versus equities tug of war. See you tomorrow.